This was how we helped our clients in Canada secure 2 units of 3-bedroom fully detached bungalows with swimming pool in Lekki Avana, located in Ibeju-Lekki. 1. He went online to make his research. You're in the diaspora, you want to buy a property in Nigeria, first place to go to is to search the net. We have lot of listings and lot of offers on the net. You have to really check so that you know which offer is valid and which one is best for you. He found our listings on Lekki Avana phase 2, where he chatted us. It's very important to work with reliable realtors, and that is what we guarantee you at Gerrymandy Realtors Ltd. When he came to us, he had all the questions. Of course, you want to buy something new, you have to know everything about this item you want to buy, and now we are talking about property, not just any item. So he had all his questions and we're able to answer him. Lekki Avana phase 2 is an off-plan project by Xylos Home, a reputable real estate developer in Lagos State who have developed and delivered lots of housing units spread across Aja, Lekki, Ibeju-Lekki axis, and also have landed estates that have been sold and allocated. So that was the first security our clients got, the owner and the developers of Lekki Avana 2. Secondly, what is the title that comes with this property? The title of Lekki Avana 2 is Government Allocated C of O, which means the property was bought directly from government. So you have nothing to worry about, and you'll be getting a deed of assignment when you get a unit or more in Lekki Avana 2. Then we went on to discuss on the payment plans. We all know that most off-plan projects comes with flexible payment plan, which is we build as you are paying. The construction is currently ongoing. That is what makes it off-plan. So we are able to show him the unit, the facilities coming with this unit, the floor plan, everything, and he was okay with it. The payment plan, you make an initial deposit of 5 million naira and spread your balance over 3 months, 6 months or 12 months with little interest. Of course, he was able to pick the plan that best suits him. And the best part is that we already have 2 units standing on ground, which you're going to see to show you exactly what you'll be getting. We have 4 options available for you. You can buy 3-bedroom bungalows with swimming pool or without swimming pool. You can buy it fully finished or in CARCASS. We also have 4-bedroom fully detached bungalows with swimming pool or without swimming pool, which you can buy fully finished or CARCASS and complete it yourself. Also, we have all the infrastructures in place already. We have the perimeter fencing, gatehouse with security, we have water fountain already, we have beautification around the estate, we've done the drainage, we have the interlock road already. So what we promise we have already delivered. So as you're buying your unit, you're seeing these facilities already. Hurry now and make a deposit of 5 million naira initial deposit. You can secure the unit. Current prices are displayed on the screen and also included in the description of this video. Guess what? If you're in Nigeria in diaspora, you want to make payment for your property, there are different ways which you can make payment. One is to have a Nigerian account, which was what our client did. He has a Nigerian account. That's where he just paid in naira from his Nigerian account to Xylos account directly. Yes, you pay directly to Xylos Homes. Or you can pay through different apps that are available for you to make your payments. So he has made his payment, he has gotten his receipt, and he has gotten his contract of sales, and he is happy with his transaction. This client did not come for inspection or send any family member down for inspection. We were able to do the inspection for him. We carried him along, and he actually said he felt like he's actually present here because of the way we'll be doing your video calls with you, updates. If you have someone in Nigeria that can come for inspection, of course, link your person to us. We'll take the person to inspection to give you updates, or we can do the inspection on behalf of you. Virtual inspection, we call you as we go to site. You see everything yourself before making payment. So buying property in Nigeria is very safe when you use a reliable realtor. If you're in Nigeria living abroad, any country, Canada, US, UK, Italy, and you're looking for how to buy property in Nigeria, you don't have to worry. It is very easy. Contact us today. Number showing on your screen, Gerrymandy Realtors Ltd, and we are going to guide you on the steps to follow. We handle your purchase like we are buying our own property. My name is Maureen Ode of Gerrymandy Realtors Ltd. I am your partner in wealth building through real estate. Call me today. Thank you.